Nani babukela emakhaya igama lami ngiyafisa ngathehla #Tefuni. So namuhla angihambi ngedwa, ngihamba naseSintsaki, ngibe ngihambe naseSribheka. Njengoba sibonile sesisitayile 2025 la sihambe khona ima-memories esibe nawo nabo kwamele sikusharile okuhle lesinawo. So namuhla ngila stoyinda khona mlando sikhona ukubona ukuthi wherever la sibuya khona kuhambe njani asibe njalo.
As we stand at the end of an incredible year on the road, I can't help but to look back on all the miles we've logged, the stories we've shared, and the families we've built.
From February 2025 right through to December, we walked countless kilometers across our city streets, rain or sunshine, held our special events such as Mental Health Awareness Walk, GPV Walk, and Cultural Walk, turning steps into a purpose. Brought you weekly episode that captured the highs, the challenges, and the laughs along the way. Babukeli bamakhaya ngicela ukuthi samukele ma-Lawford Workers members njengoba asichazelwe ngejini yabo kabandi nge-Lawford Workers.
Lishonile mndeni wami, lishonile ma-Lawford Workers lamahla. Angathi kubalula kakhulu uma senda the podcast lo kumbe the interview kuna Rebecca Laceleng. But namuhla ke udecide ukuba semuva kwekhamera, but ke let us do it sibone ukuthi hamba njani. Ikayi2 ke imizaba 2025 kimi kunale line basho ukuthi uba ne thin line between love and hate, mara ke kimi kunale line leli bakhona when it comes to reviewing the year, ngoba ngiyafuna ku review as a normal member of the team, but a part of me ifuna review as in part njengoba bangibiki as the leader of the team. But yeah, let me try and do this as the leader of the team. You know, I knew this 2025 was going to be a good year. In February, mhla 8, umasana emkhathini lapha eseSol kugcwele ngendlela mangalisapho. Akase kwendeka ukuthi our first walk ibe ngalendlela ibe ngayo. I knew that day ukuthi no lo mnyaka lo utoba mhle kakhulu. Indeed, throughout the year kubonakele ke si-achieve into letiningi kakhulu, but nje njengoba nani yathi ukuthi eku-achieve into letinhle kuba khona lokunye loku on the negative. So on this one, on the negative, we lost a member kwakwase sihambe seZimbabwe. Something lengakase ngavuka ngayicabanga ukuthi ingahle ivuke yendekile, but yeah, it happened and sakhona satholakala sibukane naloko, but ke sidlulile kuko sibukene nawo sandlula kuko. And then on the flip side, the good thing ngeteam yethu lomnyaka ngilokuthi our desk, most of our desk asebenze ngokukhandla kakhulu, ikakhulukazi i-safety. I was impressed kakhulu i-safety, but ke ngimela namuhla ngifuna ukukhuluma nge-youth desk. The previous years bengicomplaina kakhulu nge-youth yethu ukuthi they are there, they're just there, but this year bangijabulise kakhulu abantwana. I think kimi they stood out in most of the things esitendile. Ngiyathi ikhona i-bereavement, ikhona awareness yabasesigrace ne-spirituality they did great. Ikhona i-mobile library, konkosi ngothola ne-group yakhe, they did amazingly well. I-safety njengoba ngishilo isebenze kahle kakhulu, isebenzile i-governance basebenzile bonke. But today ngimela I want to appreciate our youth. I feel bonke abantu bakhona eteamini babonile i-youth yethu lo mnyaka lo ithathe responsibility. Ngathi mas-pilot awuthamba nabo eZimbabwe, I was taking a chance, but basebenza ngokukhandla lokukhulu. Bakhombisile ke throughout the year masisebenza ku-media, ku-safety ukuthi singa-accountable. So mina ku-2025 my highlight was our youth. Proud kakhulu ngabo. I feel ukuthi basisebentele kakhulu ngaphandle kwabo. Angicabanga ukuthi kusi-achieve most of the things isi-achievile this year, but-ke ngiyababonga, and njengoba nibonile, we were joined by a lot of my youngsters labanye betane batali. Bengikhuluma this young guy Thabang, I think it's Thabang from Elikazi youth naye. He just saw us sihlangene wathi hayi nami ngiyajoyina, so kungijabulise kakhulu kubona abantu labasha betanga ebuningi. Uma started the whole concept, mhlambe ngiproud ngoba when we started the whole concept, I never really thought ukuthi we will have so much youngsters in the team, and bengingakase ngacabanga ukuthi if siba nabo bophinza basebenze ngendlela abasebenza ngayo. So I am hoping and praying uNkulunkulu ukuthi next year ba multiply from the number lebangiyo, babe even more and bathathe even more responsibilities. Ngoba vele ama plans athi next year I want to put them on key positions. Ngivile ke nabhanda khala ukuthi ngendlela ngisebenzisa ngayo youth ngathi ngifuna kubagudluza, not necessarily ukuthi ngifuna kubagudluza abantu abadala, but I feel ukuthi labantu labasha abanama commitment njengathi. So when you give them a commitments la teamini benda kahle kakhulu. Yabo sengikhuluma into eziningi because I'm proud ngabo. But ke lokunye lokubonile ngokuthi i-team yethu ikhule kakhulu lo mnyaka 2025. Ngibonile abantu abaningi basukuma bathatha lento healthy lifestyle bayibeka etandleni tabo babuye batosijoyina. So I'm hoping ukuthi next year we get a lot of support from companies and individuals ngoba our team sikhule kakhulu. Namhla yini kodwa it's Wednesday, siyavala Saturday sine night walk, so I'm praying ukuthi bantu baphuma ngebuningi sibezivale eminyaka sibonge uNkulunkulu for kusupport and kusigcina nokusiphephisa emgwaqweni throughout the year. Yabona almost walker from February to December without incidents. Kumele simbonge uNkulunkulu kakhulu, and ngiyathemba nokuthi spirituality bosses grace bayangiva batophelela bonke babuye nebafundisi bethu sihlangane lapha Riverside sivale eminyaka ngalokukhulu kumhlonipha lomdzala wethu.
Lishonile Mawokas Yagiti. This is Dr. Mabaso, one of the team of the workers, on a wonderful Wednesday, just a few days before our last walk of the year. I'm taking this time just to say, oh, what a beautiful year that we've had. Just to reflect on my personal interaction with the team, my experience, what I've come to love. Honestly, before I came to join the Lowveld Workers, I used to do some physical activities here and there. But the thing that I appreciate a lot with the workers here is because of the way we are organized, the way we work together, the way we do things. I think that is the main differentiator between any other way where people can find themselves in terms of physical activity. So I've gained a lot in terms of what it takes to put a team together, what it takes to create an environment where people can, from week after week, feel like coming back. And that's, for me, is the most important thing that I think as workers we've actually come to gain and we must be proud of ourselves in terms of what we've achieved. Thanks to Mashaba and all other people who are working with you ever since you came up with this vision, and the people who sold onto it now. It's a brand, it's something that is known, it's something that is changing people's lives. I really like that a lot. I mean, as a doctor, if there's one thing I can tell you, I'm so passionate about people who take physical activity seriously, because there are so many benefits that you get health-wise. I mean, many things in your body you don't know, but they really get better in terms of you doing, just because of you doing some physical activity. I mean, I can quote a lot of things that I'm proud of as a member of the Lowveld Workers. One of the things that honestly keeps us coming from week to week is the talks that we organize, the themes. Each and every week has got its own theme. That to me is very beautiful, and we must keep up to that. And thanks to each and everyone who has taken time to contribute and share with us on whatever topic that has been given. I really feel humbled for having been asked on some occasions to come and share some of the topics. Really, this is something I appreciate a lot. And as we come to the close of the year, if there's one thing I can share with all of us, is that let the coming 2 weeks, 2 months, not take away our need and the necessity for us to keep on walking wherever we are, keep on with the physical activity. Because if we don't do anything at all, come the February, you will be lethargic and you shall have lost on a lot of benefits. So remember, the workers as a group, what we're stopping is the organized way of doing things, but we're not taking away the need for personal activities to continue. So as we come to the end and as we get to December and January, I really want to encourage each and everyone to continue working for the benefit of your health. And thanks, and may the Lord be with all of us until we meet again on Saturday and the next year. Thank you and God bless.
All right, good afternoon, Lofeld family. This is Patichezo Mafuna. I am a Lofelder. I joined Lofeld Workers this year, 2025, on the last week of the month of March. So, since I've joined Lofeld Workers, I've probably only missed Saturday due to maybe other commitments which were actually high that I couldn't afford to miss. So that is the reason why maybe I wouldn't come. But other than that, I've committed fully to the Lofeld Workers. So there's a question that says, what is that one thing that really stood out for me with the Lofeld Workers this year? I would say that one thing that was very, very important for me was the family environment that we find ourselves as Lofelders. The space where we get to work together, the space where we get to share ideas, be it business ideas, be it motivation to each other, be it just general conversations in the space. So for me, that is really what stood out for me this year when I joined the Lofeld Workers. And just the overall environment where you find happy people, you find people who are excited and looking forward to be there on a Saturday. Now, what is it that was my goal? My goal this year was to at least do 1,000 kilometers on walking. So I did achieve that goal just by the beginning of November this year. I managed to have achieved my 1,000 goal target. Currently I'm sitting at about 1,100 and something kilometers for the year 2025. Coming down from 175 on the previous year. So you can see the impact that Lofeld Workers has had on me achieving my target. So yeah, and then the other question is, did you notice anything interesting or unexpected along the way? That's a tough one. There's a lot of things that I did notice during the course of the walks. Sometimes it's just basic interaction with the locals, as you walk, the cheering, the type of environment some of them live. And obviously the excitement that we get mainly from the tractors. The tractors when we are doing walks on the freeway, they always give us the scooters to keep encouraging us. So that is something also that I saw. And also just the amount of development happening around Mbombela, the greater Mbombela. As you walk around, you can see there's development around, the cleanliness also of the city, the cleanliness along the routes in which we also travel. Did you learn something about the space, teammates? Yeah, no, definitely. Every time, every weekend, you get a chance maybe to walk with someone new, someone you don't know, someone you're meeting up for the first time. You also get a chance to engage with them, find out what they do, who they are, where they stay, what are their interests and stuff like that. So that is also something that has been very, very, very exciting. Is there a small win you're proud of the most? People wouldn't notice? Yeah, I would say that the small win that I've gotten was also meeting my targets in terms of weight loss. Beginning of the year, I had a certain number, and then I've dropped by about 9 kilograms to date. So that is something that it's a small win for me. That I don't think those who don't know me would notice, because most of the people actually know me from the walk. So yeah, that for me is something that has actually happened. Just encouragement, obviously, to those who are for the coffee. I would like to just encourage our people, everyone, as we get into the festive season, the festive mood. You know, a lot of people sometimes get carried away now that we are entering into the festive mode. People will start doing certain things. Some actually start learning new habits now that we are just getting into the festive mood. I would really like to ask that may we take care of ourselves, may we be responsible people in everything that we do. You know, let's take responsibility. Let's be safe along the routes. Let's not drink and drive to those who drink. And also let's just pay attention to everything. Let's plan, knowing that this is December. It's just a month like any other month, as much as we are resting, but we still have January up until December next year that we still need finances. So let us make use of our finances in a good way. Let us be responsible people and stay healthy. You know, doesn't mean that now the Lofeld working group is shutting down up until next year February, that you must not take those small walks if you want to. Let's do those small walks inside our spaces in the safer routes, so that we keep active, so that next year when we come back more active. Lastly, just want to also just encourage our management who have been with us throughout this year. Just want to say thank you guys for showing us your leadership, commitment towards us all as a team. It's not easy managing over 100 to 200 to 300 people every day. We know that we keep the responsibility we hold accountability for each and every person who comes into the work. So to the management team, thank you very much. Wishing everyone all the best for the year coming. Till we meet again 2026. One of the exciting questions was which route did I enjoy the most? I would say that the route I enjoyed the most was the one by Matsumu side, by Cap Maiden. Yes, I enjoyed that a lot. And it was just a refreshing route because it's a safer route for me. We don't have much interaction with cars, so we are paying more attention to the road. And just the environment and surrounding, it's so beautiful because on your left it's nature, on your right it's nature. So that was a very beautiful route for me, and it's also not an easy route. It's quite challenging. So it has flats and it also has hills. So that was a very beautiful route for me. So yeah, that was my favorite.
Sanibonani, ngiyabingelela. NginguNomsamasilela kaLofeld Walkers. Ngingumndeni kuLofeld Walkers. Kanti Lofeld Walkers bangibita nje ukuthi bangathi ukuthi ke ngigogo Nomsamasilela. Namhla ke nje ngifuna ukunicocela ngale Lofeld Walkers. Ngajoyina mina kuLofeld Walkers 3 years or 4 years ago. Angizange ngakhokha mali, angizange ngenda lutho. Ngabitwa ngusesi wami, Dr. Nomthandazo Makhathini. Wathi ubuya ngala mvala makhe. Ngalandzela. Sukusela lapha ngizange ngabhuka emuva. Ngayilandzela njalo iLofeld Walkers. Manje ngifuna ukunicocela ke ukuthi kwentekani la kaLofeld Walkers. Kulomnyaka ngifuna ukuxoxela nje izaba yalomnyaka. Tintfo letingijabulisile la kaLofeld Walkers. La kaLofeld Walkers siyafunza. And each walk is unique. Ngeke uthi hayi le walk le iyabhora angeke ngiye kule ya walk. You commit yourself and ulangazelele ukuthi ngifuna ukubona ukuthi into wendekani ngale walk leli ndaba. Asivuswa umuntu noma amadolo abuhlungu thina bogogo masilela siyawashikisha siwasikishe sishone khona eLovedale Rockers siwonke. Lapha sithola ukunakekelwa kule ma department lamaningi. Le department yasinakekela nasigula, yasinakekela nasiswela, yasinakekela futhi namasihamba lapha emgwaqweni kuthi siwela kahle yini na. Awu siyabonga kakhulu. Siyafunza futhi la kaLovedale Rockers. Siba nalama awareness aletinto letinyenti letikhona. I-awareness ye-health, ye-mental, sayi-celebrate. Ye-cancer, sayi-celebrate. Nyalo sito-celebrate yani na. So celebrate ye-World AIDS Day. Manje sitawusuka kuphi siyephi kuLovedale Rockers. Lokujabulisa kakhulu asimane sihambe nje. Siyafunza lokuningi. Obabe bayasinakekela nathi siyabanakekela labakhona la. Akuyi ngokuthi wena u-rich noma wena u-poor noma wena ufunze kakhulu noma wena ungafunzi. Siyafana nje sonke la kaLovedale Rockers. Into lengijabulisa kakhulu. Bantwana bayanakekelwa, labazali bayanakekelwa ngendlela lefanele. Noma unemfana uhamba naye, noma unemtukulu uhamba naye. Bafike lapha kune-library bayafunza abantwana, bayadlala abantwana, sijabule. Sesibuyele emakhaya. Siyafika nawo kuma-water point, sithole ukudla, sidle amafruit, siphinde sibuyele emuva futhi. Manje-ke kaLovedale Rockers sijabula kakhulu. Sinemndeni losijabulisako. Ngingathini. Mhlazana babuye eZimbabwe siyobahlangabeza. Waphuma Nkosi yami Tinye Mbeki tekujabula. Sebabuya abantwana bebantu. Babuya. Sajabula sathi milulungwane salilitela kaLovedale Rockers. Ngikhuluma nje leviki letaba. Siyowenda i-awareness ye-AIDS. Ayikuthi siyendawana nesihamba nje utata. Siyofika leni, nasifika siyafunza, basifundise. Sigwabule ngetingcondo. Manje sibonga kakhulu. Njengoba sitoba ne-holiday nje. Ngiyanicela bathandzekako, ngiyaninxusa. Shem. Asidleni ebokudla kwaKhisimusi. Kodwa sikhumbule sitivocavoce. Ngoba kuyimpilo lokho. Kusina sesiyohlangana 2026 sihlangane sisonke. Siyabonga babe Mashaba ukusinakekela lokungaka. Siyabonga kakhulu nawo wonke lama department la khona lasinakekelako. Ngithi kini nonke Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year. Hallelujah, Merry Christmas.
Sanibonani maLovedale Rockers namahle sanibonani mndeni wami. Gama lami ngimlinde okuhle Sibongo ngakambuyane. Lovedale Rockers ibe yihle kakhulu kimi, ngithole imndeni, ngithole bangani, ngithole nje i-environment lehle kakhulu lokuthi noma ngithi ngiyakoka ekseni ngivuka ngijabule. Lovedale Rockers isho kunengi kimi. Lovedale Rockers ingithethe yangifaka eSwaziland, yangisusa eSwaziland yathi Mozambique. Buka nje lo mnyaka lo ngibuya kuphi eZimbabwe mahala. Lovedale Rockers ngiyinto la yindako leyo. Lovedale Rockers ayikangincithe ngalokho kuphela, ingcondo yami, mental health yami nje konke ngathi sekungconywana, sengiright nje, ngihappy ngeLovedale Rockers. Ngiyanicela ukuthi uma ngabe usahleli ekhaya uhleleni, if ungekho nathi unabani angikhona ukuvisisa, buya usijoyina kaLovedale Rockers konke kuhambe kahle. Ngiyabonga, bye.
Welcome Lovedale Rockers. Hello, amazing Lovedale Rockers. As we wrap another fantastic year, I want to take a moment to celebrate who we are and what we stand for. We are so much more than just a working team. We are a vibrant, caring community dedicated to empowerment, awareness, and inclusivity. Every step we take together is guided by our commitment to nurturing not only our bodies, but also our minds and souls. We welcome everyone, regardless of background or ability, and encourage each member to grow and thrive. Working with Lowveld Workers means joining a group where you are seen, heard, and valued. This year together, we championed powerful causes through our annual walks. We raised awareness for cancer during the Cancer Awareness Walk, stood up against abuse with the Walk Against Gender-Based Violence, and celebrated our youth in the Children's Walk. We embraced inclusivity with the Disability Awareness Walk, showed support for health professionals with Crazy Socks for Health Professionals, and promoted wellness through our health awareness and remembrance walks. Each event proved that our steps matter, not just to us, but the wider world. Let's give a special round of applause for our incredible Zimbabwe to South Africa walk. This achievement is a true testament to our unity, resilience, and hope. Together, we crossed borders, broke barriers, and showed that when we walk in solidarity, we can make dreams a reality. As we close our official walks for the year, I want to encourage each of you to keep walking, wherever and whenever you can. Walking isn't just an event, it's a lifestyle and a promise to yourself. Whether it's a quiet stroll in a neighborhood or a hike with friends, every step you take is a step towards a better health, happiness. There are benefits that you get when you are walking, and this is why we walk. It improves cardiovascular health, boosts mood and mental well-being, supports weight management, enhances strength and flexibility. It reduces stress and increases energy. So let's commit to walking, not just for the team, but for ourselves. Let's work for our well-being, for our dreams, and for our communities. Remember, every step you take is a victory, and together we pave the way for a healthier, happier future. Keep moving, keep shining, and keep inspiring. The journey continues. Let's walk it together. Lowveld Workers, walking with purpose, walking with heart. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Don't commit.
Wednesday, happy Wednesday, Lowveld Workers. Alikho khona right la khona emakhaya emsebenzini niphilile niqokile ama t-shirts siyashayina la sikhona khona. Ngijabule kakhulu ukuthi ngaleli thuba lokuthi ngene a short video. I-video le ama-question labangibude wona or labangitshele ngawo ukuthi ngisho ukuthi njengoba siqale kuwalker February ngibiva nginjani la ekhaya, ngibiva ngimukelekile or angamukeleki. La ngakusho ngimukeleke kakhulu. If kufika i-Saturday ngiyajabula because ngiyazi ukuthi ngiya ekhaya lenjabulo ngila ngifike ngithulule khona injabulo yami, ngila ngifike ngihlangana khona nemndeni wami nebantu abahlukahlukene. Asikhosa siphume emakhaya afanako, sifunza into letiningi njengoba singumndeni nema-culture lahlukahlukene. Into le ngiyithanda kakhulu ngalo mndeni ukuthi uyanakekelana. Uma usenkingeni bayakhona ukukunakekela, awushonelwe, siyakunakekela, siyathwalana, singumndeni, yathi singumndeni. Awukho umndeni ofana ne-Lawfare Walkers kwi-South Africa yonke. And then lokunye lengithanda kusithola ngetimfundiso every Saturday. Le iwalk lefike ngayithanda or yafike yangithasha kakhulu. Iwalk lesicetha kuyenda nyalo ye-gender based lesendele emkhathini garage sesole. Iwalk lesithinta thina sonke, ithinta bomake, ithinta bobabe, bantwana, bobhuti. Njengoba sengingumeme webantwana ngajabula mangithola ithuba lokuthi ngikhona ukukhuluma nabantu bami, sikhulume nge-gender based bantwana. Then ngiyava luvo lwabo bantwana ngibona ba-understanda kanjani nge-gender based. Okwangijabulisa ukuthi abantu bethu sebayazi ukuthi kumele benteni and banema-question labasibuta wona ukuthi okay mangihlangabetana nasi simo ngiphuma njani kwangijabulisa kakhulu lokho. Kungakho ngiyayithanda kakhulu i-Lawfare Walkers. Angiboni ngisuka ngibone ngijoyina lenye inhlangano or lenye igroup lekhona around South Africa. Ngiyohlala ngiku-Lawfare Walkers. Angisho ukuthi mhlawumbe akekho tikhathi tiba madima tiba khona mara ema-solution uyawathola uma uyidzinga i-solution. So siyahamba futhi kakhulu sibe long walk or a big walk. Sihambile saya eZim, saya ku-walk lekhulu eSouth Africa, labanye labangawahambi. And like bantu banga-understand ukuthi singasuka eSouth Africa sihambe ngetinyawo siyongena eZim, sisuke eZim siyongena eSouth Africa. Babe nema-question ukuthi siyabhadalwa yini, kanti no cha asibhadali, lento siyenda ngelithando ngoba lento siyithanda. So asimemeni labanye labasemakhaya labasahleli lababona ngathi sibhorekile, cha asikakabhoreki. Uyafika laphana unema-challenges. Mina angithi nje ngisho ngami, mina ngajoyina i-Lawfare Walkers bengiceza ukuphuma emshadweni ngidepress. Nenhlanhla lenhle naNkulunkulu amuhle angizange admithwe esibhedlela. Iphilisi lami waba kuwalker emgwaqeni, waba lithambo lengafike ngalithola. Okay, although ngingazange ngatshela wonke umuntu ukuthi kuta kwami lana ngidalana ngoba nginetinkinga, ngidalana ngoba ngifuna la ngidothulela khona tinkinga tami tinkinga bengithulele emgwaqeni. Kwaba na 1 2 3 le ngikhona kuphefemula kuwe basise sufike enzaweni le-right ungasasuki la uyophila. Ngiphilile namuhla ngaphandle kweliphilisi, ngaphandle koku-admithwa esibhedlela. So namuhla kuyi-Wednesday, ngithi happy Lawfare Walkers Wednesday. Ngiyabonga inkosi yamusa inisikelele. Amen.
Ngihlala eTlatlao, ngilimemba le-Lawfare Walkers. Engingakusho nje nge-Lawfare Walkers kuningi lengiyigeyinile mina ku-Lawfare Walkers njengoba ngilimemba le-Lawfare Walkers. Lapha ku-Lawfare Walkers ngifunde kakhulu nje ukuthi uma umuntu kufuneka uphile kahle nalabanye abantu, kufuneka ukwazi ukukhuluma kahle nalabanye abantu ngoba lapha sibaningi, tingcondo tethu tihlukahlukene, kunetigulane kunalokwa nalokwa, kuningi nje lokwendekako, labanye bete kutohila. So kufuneka uma silapha ku-Lawfare Walkers lengikufundzile nje ukuthi tingcondo tethu angeke tize tifane, but kufuna sifundzane ukuthi ingcondo yasesineli iso, ingcondo yasesibani iso, uyakhona-ke ukuphila nabo. Kuningi lengikufundzile kakhulu la ngikujabulela khona kakhulu ku-long walk ngoba labantu sispenda sikhathi bo-14 days bo-12 days nihleli nonke ndzawonye, nilala indlu yinye, nidla kanye. Uyabona, uyakhona naloku umfundza ukuthi sesibani uso. So ngiyajabulela kakhulu, enjoya kakhulu uma siku-long walk, ngize ngifise ngathi ngingahlala ngingabuyi. Uyabona lelanga bathi sesibuya ngalo ngilapho sengicala kuphathwa stress. So ngiyakuthanda kakhulu ku-long walk. Lokunye futhi engiyibhenefithile ku-Lawfare Walkers, mina bengisidudla uma ngingenela i-Lawfare Walkers. Bengithi noma ngihamba nge-station nje ngoba kuyi-distance from ekhaya to e-station, but bengijuluka. Mara ngenela ngingenela i-Lawfare Walkers angisajuluki, sengifree nje uma ngihamba ngiyakhona kushakutela. Ngize ngisho ngithi lenye ilanga ngijoyina sport ngetinyawo ngoba vele angeke ngihluleke ngoba ngane-Zimbabwe ngihambile ngetinyawo ngatofika e-South Africa. So ngizama ukutshela emakhaya ukuthi hhayi, khululeka, feel free uma ufuna ukujoyina iLofeldo Workers into oyijoyina ukhululeke. Iyatholakala every Saturday, iyatholakala from February to December. Kuningi lonto okubhenefitha njengoba nami kuningi ekubhenefithile lapha kuLofeldo Workers. Kufunzile nje nelithando ukuthi uma sibani kufuna sithandane, satane, sinakane. Uthi tholela ifemeli lapha, uma unganaye sisi uphuma unaye sisi, uma unganabhuti uphuma unaye bhuti. So kuningi lokwendekako lapha, uma sibonana nje uma ungekho benta sure ukuthi baku-check-a sesineli bongekho kwende njani, right? So yabo kumnanzi kuyifemeli le ehlalekako, kunekuthula, kune-peace. We don't promise, we commit. Njengoba kuLofeldo Workers nje ngathi from next year into bekugcine neLofeldo Workers, but i-team yohlezi senhlitweni yami, ngiyohlala ngiLofeldo Workers vele akujiki, ngiyohlala ngikhona khona ngehlitiyo nje. Nami ngidobe ngituwokhela ngedwana, ngibe ngigcoke iskipa sami, ngibe proud, ngiyenda njengoba benda nabo nje. Saturday uma bacala 5:30 nami ngiyacala ke 5:30 nami ngiyawalka until ngize ngitothola i-chance ngibuye ngitohlangana nabo ngalelo langa. So don't promise, commit.
Ngiyabingelela umndeni weLofeldo Workers kumnyaka wa 2025 la sesigoqotha khona. Sicale kahle lapha kuJanuary sibethela day in day out kuma weekends lapho besiphuma sidivoka khona. Mndeni wakithi ke ngithanda kuveta into letinhle leti lengibonile sidenda si Lofeldo Workers kusukela January kuze kwenesikhathi. Ngifike ngabona into lehamba kahle kakhulu lengithanzile. I-management ye-Lofeldo Workers or managing i-team basi arrangele la bantwana bethu labancane la ukuthi uma ngabe thina njengebadali siyokuwalka ba-establish i-library. The establishment of the library ingikhumbuta ngemuntu lona lo vulela ibandla wangaba nawo lo mkhakha losobita ukuthi i-children ministry or ngelimi lotsala i-Sunday school. Uma ulibandla ungenayo i-Sunday school, leli bandla lakho lelo kusho kona ukuthi liyafa kancane kancane ngoba kude abantu labancane labatawulandzela babambe lo mkhakha. So therefore Lofeldo Workers ngikuqhokotele ukuthi sibe nebantu abancane laba lasinabo bathatha le nduku bagijime nayo. Akugcinanga lapho ke, sibone i-issue ye-stakeholder engagement. Stakeholder engagement ngila ku-invite abantu labasuka kuma-private sectors nalabasuka kwi-public sector beta ngemikhakha leyahlukahlukene kuto sifundzisa labanye basuka ka-health, labasinye basuka ka-safety. Lokho kwenda ukuthi i-health yethu simalunga Lofeldo Workers sihlale si-well aware, especially ukuthi njengalaba sebabadzala njengabomkhulu ukuthi yini lehlasela itifo letingahlasela bomkhulu, singatigwema njani tonke letifo letingasihlasela. Akusiki ukuthi sifika nje ekuseni bese singena emgwaqeni siyawalka. Before siyowalka kuba khona ma-awareness sessions lawa laniketwako. Asilingisi tinkomo tona tiyedamu vele tigalele nje khale umzaca tingene tiphini tiphumele ngale tihambe. But-ke kuba netifundziso leti siniketwa tona ekugcineni kwelisuku siba ngumndeni lona lonelwati ukuthi kufanele siphile njani, sikunakekele ngakanani. Ngothanzile kakhulu lokho ngaku-safety. I-safety ingijabulise kakhulu kusukela January up to this far. Sikhumbule uma ngabe sihamba sisebenzisa umgwaqo ubelonga to i-department. Uma kungakendeki lutho sisawalka kuhle kakhulu lokho. Kodwa uma i-safety ingeke yanakekeleka kutholakala sesilimele la emgwaqeni, kuthi abanesikhalo ukuthi ima-Lofeldo Workers adala ingozi emgwaqeni, sesiba nenkinga. Kodwa-ke ngale ndlela kwendeka ngakhona nalama member lawa aniketwe that responsibility and asure ukuthi bakwenda ngaloku kufanele. Sengigcina angimeme nje wonke umuntu lo angakasijoyini thina sima-Lofeldo Workers. atosijoyina uma sicala nje sitawucala ngemidlandla ngemfutho ngekutithoba ngekubeketelelana sihloniphane singuma-Lawfare Workers wotani sihlangane khona
Anema-joys, i-pain, ngiva likhalo lami libuhlungu, but since ngacala i-Lawfare Workers ngenda so, niyabona musa, niyabona musa, hayi, no more pain, Timbo mhlala u-right. I remember siyena seZimbabwe, hayi, benginemkhaba mina, so, yabo, mkhaba wami usele eZimbabwe, since ngibuye eZimbabwe mkhaba wami awusele, so ngiphila i-healthy lifestyle. I-Lawfare Workers kunini lengu-benefitile guys, ngifunze kuphila nebantu, ngafunza ukuthi nangabe nginenkinga ngathula inkinga yami, I should to communicate with someone ukuze ngiyokhona kuhileka. Nyala ngeke uze ungive mina ngikhala ngisho nange-headache no ayingiphathi shem, ngoba ngiyakhona ukuthi nanginento lengilimatako ngithole someone ngibhode out kuye bese uyangibonisa ukuthi how can I move on with my life. Okay, it's fine, nyalo sengiyakhona kuphila nebantu, ngiyakhona kuxoxisana nebantu, qala nje umuntu kungibuka bengivele ngikwate ngithi ungibukani, nyalo ngiyathi ukuthi umuntu nakangibuka ngimshaya ngesmile baba, yabo sengiyambuka ngithi yini wangibuka kangaka, sekuyakutshela ukuthi yini. Okay, anyway, it's fine. I-Lawfare Workers guys ngiyaphilwa kunema-government lana uma ushonelwe siyakhona ukuthi sikudonethele ukhona nawo ukudiva ukuthi no, you have a family. Lawfare Workers ifamily lenkulu futhi lenakekelana kundlula your blood family. Ihlale ine-peace ngaso sonke isikhathi nje, kuhlale kumnandi vele ka-Lawfare Workers. You can even join us not only for your health but you also have a family. Anyway, njengamanje nje sayovala December, so siyavala kuyoze kuvulwe February. Yo Nkosi yami ngiyathandaza, ngiyakhuleka ukuthi lo mkhaba nalobu bungasabuyi busale khona ngala. Lobe ngichubeka ngoba nanyalo nje noma ngisekhaya, hayi angihlali ngiyachubeka nje. Yabo. Yeah, kunjalo. Make sure ukuthi nyalo each and every day ngiyawalka 5,000 steps just for my fitness and health.
Hello, hi, Nkosi Lana, we're Lawfare Workers. Happy Lawfare Workers Wednesday. 3 days away from our last and final walk for 2025. Takeaway from this year, it's been a good year. We have done a lot of things and we've had some very good feedback this year. Into engingayisho about the year or engikufundile ukuphilisana nabantu and to never think less of anyone. Personally, I would say ungakuthathi kancane lokhu okwenzayo or your contribution, your input or your suggestion and commitment, ngoba uma ngabe sibaningi kuba kukhulu. Mina ngiwani, my commitment would not be impactful as much as when we are a team. Okay. Ngizokusho loku taking from umphathi's comment the other day. He was saying ungacabanga ukuthi lokho okuncane onakho oza nakho etafuleni angeke kwenze umehluko komunye umuntu. Ngikubonile lokho ukuthi kunjalo impela. What I take away for the year is that asikuboni uma ngabe sikwenza daily until singabe sisakwenza. All right. Lokhu ngisho kana ukuthi siyavala manje, we are definitely going to miss the motivation, the interaction, ukubona abantu, ukusocialize and just changing people's lives, ngama awareness, ngama talks and the planning that goes into everything. It's very exciting when you are part of this. So yeah, umuntu aphephe, unyaka uyaphela, let's not go too crazy about it. It's the festive season. Spend isikhathi nemindeni yethu, sihlale kahle, siphinde sibuye sibonane ngonyaka ozayo all in one piece. Peace out. Inkosi ithele umusa kuleyo ndawo. Bye.
Okay guys, bengicela nokusho ukuthi ngicela kubonga kubo bonke labahlanganyele nathi sithi siqayile iwalk yake ivuliwe wonke lo mnyaka sawuthatha sawubeka safike la sikhona khona. So bengifisa kusho ukuthi wonke umuntu abe neChristmas lomnanzi, abe ne-New Year ngene kahle eminyakeni lomusha. Peace, we love you. Next.
Ake babukeli bami emakhaya njengoba senivile ama-Lawford Walkers members sewakhulumile bashilo ke ukuthi yini le bajabulisile kulomnyaka and of course bafunze ini kumnyaka wa-2025 khona la ka-Lawford Walkers. Now remember, this is the last episode of Lawford Walkers ye-podcast yethu ya 2025. Now remember, i-walk yethu yokugcina is this coming Saturday. Yona ke iyatshintsha. We're doing it with style. It's an 8-hour walk. We are doing it at Riverside Mall 6:30. My aerobics ayaqala ngisho enzambama, and then 7 e-walk is officially starting. Do not forget to bring those candles, and don't forget to wear red and white.
Babukeli bami emakhaya siyabonga ukuthi nive nathi since from February to December. Sicela ukuthi la next year nichubeke njalo, nichubeke nibukele ama-podcast ethu. Nakuma members wethu siya-encourage ukuthi ningastophi kuwalka, nichubeke nokhe njalo, ni-enjoy ne-Christmas yenu and Happy New Year.
Nichubeke njalo nitiphathe kahle. La ekhaya thina sithi #don't promise, commit.